Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce to myself. My name is Mahesa Bigipari. ID name 42422111029. Okay, in here I want to presentation PBL tema smart storage in week timeline 1 to 11 weeks. Okay, slide 1. Planning system asset campus. System borrowing and return good based biometric. To my team, Rainaldi, to 3D design fingerprint program. Ragil Yoga, smart storage and electrical program. Via Priliano, 3D design mechanic. Muhammad David, mechanical project. Mahesa, mechanical project. In me, Alvin Rahman Abdullah, mechanical project. Okay, to introduction. Background, technology, modern roles crucial in various sectors, including informationist, city, company, and public. Although give impact, positive like increase efficiently and well-being. This progress also give rise to problem like impact environment from was electronic. Security become important, especially place like campus, which on time still as system manual in management, borrowing and return goods. Laboratory, as center study, also experience challenge related management goods with efficiently and safe. To formulation of the problem, how method work system EPS 32 on system so that can differentiate component which one, two, load. Two, how about mechanical design system? So it meets expectation. Three, how does the fingerprint system work on system so you can record, borrow, user and launch the item in problem. Objective, ESP32 system. Make it a system ESP32 work on smart storage so you can differentiate the component you want to borrow. Design mechanic. For design mechanic for smart storage under full of fingerprint system. Make system fingerprint smart storage so that can register user, borrower, and good which borrowed. Okay. Benefit. Number one, make it easier for students to borrow goods, component in campus laboratories. Two, make it easier for laboratory assistant lecturer to work more efficiently. Three, increase the security of borrowing goods with fingerprint and store data. Number two, literature study. Conveyor. A conveyor is a tool that functions to transport or move material, starting from bulk material to individual material. By using a conveyor, you can move material easily from one place to another continuously regardless on quantity. SP32 is microcontrol is SoC microcontrol system on chip integrated B equipped Wi-Fi 82.11, Bluetooth version 4.2 and various peripherals. Stepper motor. Stepper motor are electromechanical devices that work by converting electronic pulse into discrete mechanical movement. Why is it called discrete? Because the stepper motor actually rotates gradually, not continuously like that rotation of an AC induction motor. Fingerprint sensor. The AS68 608 fingerprint sensor is a security tool that can recognize human fingerprints. With high resolution, it can record fingerprint details quickly. The sensor is easily connected to a microcontroller and computer. Its speed makes it suitable for access control application, electronic payment, employee attendance, and borrowing and returning of goods in the laboratory. Servo. A servo is a mechanical device that controls angular movement with precision. It consists of an integrated motor, gearbox, and control unit. By receiving control signal, servo and adjust the motor angle with high accuracy, making them useful for various applications such as robotics and automation. For 9XX stepper drivers. The A49XX stepper driver is an electronic device that controls the movement of stepper motor in various projects such as 3D printer or CNC machine. This driver allows the user to regulate the motor current, determine the motor step, and control the direction of movement. PCF I574 module. The PCF I574 module can be thought of as an extension of the microcontroller. Imagine if a microcontroller was a person with a limited number of fingers. Then the PCF 8574 is a kind of extra set of hands that can be attached to help him. This allows the microcontroller to control more external devices such as LED, LCD display, or push button. Push button. Push button is a small button that you press to trigger an action. When you press it, you create a closed electrical circuit which allows electric current to flow. And this can trigger various events of response in electronic system. For example, you can ask a push button to turn on a light, start or stop a machine, or trigger a sound or other action in your electronic project. TCS 3200 sensor. The TCS 3200 sensor is a kind of color reading aid for electronic project, like a mini camera that can identify color the sensor can see and tell us what color are detected around it, such as red, green, or blue. Infrared sensor. An infrared sensor is an electronic device that is sensitive to heat emitted by surrounding object. Stepper motor. A stepper motor is a type of electric motor that rotates its discrete step or specific step based on the control signal given to it. Each step of the stepper motor rotation is related to the control impulse received from the controller. Number 3, design. Block diagram system. Start. Student to key to type component in display LCD, smart storage. Student turn on push button in smart storage. Student to fingerprint. Student to push button. Come back to smart storage. Borrowing control system. In the electrical design, we ask the ESP32 not MCU as the microcontroller system. The ESP32 will be connected to several input-output in the image below, especially the fingerprint, which is as full for storing a database when students borrow and return. And in this electrical circuit, we ask the PCF8574 module as an additional input or output on the ESP32 MCU, not and as a barrel jack to connect 24 voltage on the stepper motor. Mechanical design. In mechanical design, and also general design 135 x 120 cm and 14 centimeter project is designed with simple possible so that can place but just for project this have it 5 conveyor inside. This is my VMAX AutoCAD. Okay, next. Design 3D. Design 3D to finger box. To finger box function to store data on student work, borrow and return component in the laboratory. The fingerprint box design is made from clear acrylic material 2 mm thick with dimension of 18 cm long, 12 cm wide, and 4 cm high. The component inside consists of an ESP32 microcontroller, fingerprint sensor reader, 60 X2I2C LCD, battery holder, and rocker switch. Okay, to finish timeline PBL. To timeline PBL, status to literature complete, design schematic complete, design electrical complete, and to progress 100%, 100%, 100% on progress to smart storage on progress, waiting progress on progress 20 on progress 14%. Okay, thank you. This my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.